Hello everyone, today we've got here iPad 9th generation, and let me show you how to set up Emoji Wallpaper. So start with opening the settings, then mark Wallpaper and select Add New Wallpaper. Here find and select Emoji, and here we've got some emoji already added here, but if you want to change it or if you want to create it from scratch, just mark emoji icon. Here you can delete current emojis, and now select those that you want to apply. Okay, so you can leave it this way, then you can change the one more time. So once emojis are set, you can change the color if you want, just how only you like it. And then change the layout. So just by sliding you can change the style. Pick the one that you like and then tap on Add. Click on Set as Wallpaper Pair or customize home screen separately, however you prefer. And that's it. So here it is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.